Hi, I'm Guy from Inwise. In this video, I will show you how to edit and design an email and newsletter campaign. With Inwise's user-friendly and flexible editor, you can add images, videos, buttons, texts, and links to edit and design them until you reach the desired result. So, shall we go? To get started, we'll create a new email campaign and choose one of the design templates in the system. To add elements to the template, click on the plus icon and drag the desired element to the relevant position in the template. We added the text element. Click on it to edit it. In the edit bar that will open, you can edit and design text in the same way as you edit in Microsoft Word. Write bold, italic, underline text, or strike-through text. You can choose the font type, font size, text color, and background color. Through the edit bar, you can create links to a website, to an anchor on this page, meaning to a different place in your campaign that you previously defined as an anchor, to an email address, so that clicking on this link will open a mailbox for sending an email. Link to the landing page you designed on Inwise. Create a hyperlink to a phone number. It is possible and recommended to add personal fields. These are dynamic fields that change depending on your updated contact information in the system, such as first name, coupon code, branch, and more. Learn more about this in the Contacts and Information Fields guide. Under the Block Design tab, you can control parameters such as the background color of the area, space before and after paragraph, which affects the distance from the element above or under, line spacing, and a minimum height of the entire element. Every element can be edited, duplicated, added to saved elements for use in future campaigns you create, delete, or drag from one place to the other. We will go over all the existing elements in the Content Editor menu and their design and editing options. Image element. You can drag an image from your computer to this area, insert the URL of the new image, or select an image from the media area. You can upload images of up to 0.5 MB to the media area. For advanced editing options, the image editor can be used directly through the Inwise system. Breakline element. Breaklines are designed to create a visual separation between elements. When dragging a breakline from the bar to the editing area, it appears as a thin black line. Clicking on it will open a menu that allows changing its color, thickness, and design style. Article elements. This is a modular element that consists of two parts and allows displaying a text next to an image. Ideal for a summary, at the end of which is a link to more information combined with an image. Each of the parts can be edited and designed separately. Clicking on the pencil icon will open the Edit menu. In the Block Design tab, you can change the position between the text and the image, and change the proportion between the image size and the text. Regarding the design of the button, we will elaborate later. Link elements. To update the URLs of the links, click on Edit Items and paste using the keyboard the appropriate address for each link. You can also add or remove links and change the style of visual separation between them. Button element. The button is designed to call to action, and therefore, its content, design, and location are very important. Clicking the button will open the edit bar. In the title field, you can update the text on the button. In the URL field, you can choose whether the button will direct the user to the landing page that you have already built in the Inwise system and select the relevant page, or directly to the address of an external site and update its URL. You can choose the color of the text on the button, its background color, and change the text formatting. You can also update the shape of the button to a rectangular or more rounded button by changing the radius. A smaller radius will display a more rectangular shape. Choose whether you want to align the entire button to the right, center, or left, and stretch the button to the sides. Social media buttons are divided into two types: Share buttons and Follow Us buttons. Share buttons allow your contacts to share the campaign you sent them on their social media profiles. Follow Us buttons serve as a link to your business's social media profiles. Clicking on them will display the edit bar. You can align the icons to the right, left, or center. Display them horizontally or vertically. Change the size of the icons and replace their design style. You can download or add icons by clicking on Edit Icons. Clicking on an icon and darkening it will remove it. Clicking on it again and brightening it will add it. To update the URL or profile address, paste it using the keyboard in the field of the appropriate icon. For example, the Facebook page URL address. To change the order in which the icons appear, drag them to the desired place. Gallery Element allows a combination of two images side by side. The editing is the same as that of the image element. PayPal button. If you have a seller account on PayPal, you can add a link to the item you wish to sell. In the Content PayPal Information tab, you can update your account information, so once the contacts click on the button, they will be transferred directly to the payment for the product. The Video Element. You can add a video link from YouTube or Vimeo to your mailing. By clicking on the element, you will open the Video Properties tab, in which you will need to paste the link of the video. Please note that the image of the video does not have a triangle that indicates a click to play the video, so it might be a good idea to write a short sentence in the video title that will encourage the viewers to click in order to watch the video. Timer. Adding a live counter, which counts down and displays in how many days, hours, minutes, and seconds the due date will arrive, which could be the end of a special sale. You can edit the background color, the font, and clock configuration style. Accessibility Element. Designed to make the campaign accessible to people with various disabilities. All you have to do is drag it to the right placement in the campaign. Saved Elements. Once you have edited and designed an element in a campaign, you can save it and use it for your next campaigns as well. Hover over the element you wish to save and click on the Add to Saved Elements icon in the menu that will open. Choose a name for the element and save. You can use this element for future campaigns you create by dragging it to the relevant position in the campaign. Column Area. At each stage of editing the mailing, you can change the structure of the template and divide it up to 4 columns. The editing of each column is made by dragging the relevant element to each column and editing it. We will now move on to the Design menu. Using it, you can update the design of all mailings. Click on a pencil icon. You can change the external background color of the mailing. Add a background image. Update the inner background color. And add a border. You can set the width of the campaign view on the desktop. Zoom in or zoom out up to 1000 pixels. At each stage during the editing, you can see a preview, what the campaign will look like on computer screens and laptops. Before sending the campaign to your contacts, it is recommended that you first send it to yourself for review. Verify it's written correctly and view the display in various email programs and devices. And, if necessary, go back and continue editing it. Want to know more? You're welcome to read our guides and watch more tutorials in the support area. And if you still have questions, our support team will be happy to assist you. Good luck.